If you're a science enthusiast or just love to marvel at the wonders of technology, then magnetic accelerators are sure to leave you in awe. These devices use powerful magnets and clever engineering to propel objects with mind-boggling speed. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on 5 amazing magnetic accelerators that you won't believe exist. Magnetic accelerators are incredible machines that use the power of magnetism to propel objects to incredible speeds. They have a wide range of applications, from scientific research to industrial manufacturing. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's dive into the video. From guns that can shoot through walls to levitating trains that travel faster than airplanes, the possibilities seem endless. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore 5 of the most amazing magnetic accelerators out there. Number 1. The Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. It is located at the European Organization for Nuclear Research CERN in Geneva, Switzerland. The LHC was built to collide particles with extremely high energies in order to study the physics of the universe at its smallest scales. The LHC is a 27-kilometer, 17-mile ring of superconducting magnets with a beam energy of 6.5 tera-electron volts. This machine accelerates 2 beams of protons around the ring at nearly the speed of light. When the beams reach their maximum energy, they are collided head-on at 4 interaction points. The resulting collisions produce a shower of new particles that scientists can study using a variety of detectors. Since it began operating in 2010, the LHC has made some amazing discoveries, including the Higgs boson, which is responsible for giving other particles mass. The LHC is currently in its 2nd run, and scientists are hopeful that it will continue to unlock new mysteries about our universe. The LHC is an incredible machine, and it continues to push the boundaries of what we know about the fundamental laws of nature. In addition to its scientific pursuits, the LHC also serves as a global symbol of cooperation and collaboration. Number 2. The Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider. The Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider, RHIC, is a world-class particle accelerator and research facility located at the Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. RHIC is used to investigate the behavior of matter and energy at extremely high temperatures and densities, such as those that existed in the early universe. RHIC collisions create conditions of extreme heat and density, which allow physicists to study the behavior of matter under these conditions. By studying how matter behaves under these conditions, we can gain insight into the nature of the universe itself. RHIC has been used to discover a new state of matter known as quark-gluon plasma QGP. QGP is a state of matter in which quarks and gluons are no longer confined within individual nucleons. This discovery has important implications for our understanding of the early universe. RHIC also serves as an important teaching tool for young scientists. Each year, hundreds of students from around the world come to Brookhaven to learn about accelerator science and physics. Number 3. The Tevatron. The Tevatron was the world's most powerful particle accelerator from 1983 until 2011. It was built at the Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory in Batavia, Illinois, USA. The Tevatron accelerated protons and antiprotons in a 6.28 km ring to energies of up to 1 TeV, hence its name. Collisions between these particles were used to produce a wide variety of new subatomic particles. The Tevatron was shut down on September 30, 2011 after nearly 28 years of operation due to cuts in government funding for particle physics research. The Tevatron produced several important discoveries, including the top quark 1995 and a type of particle called the W boson 1983. The work done at the Tevatron has also contributed to the development of technologies like superconducting magnets and sophisticated particle detectors. It has provided invaluable training for thousands of physicists who have gone on to pursue careers in physics research around the world. The Large Hadron Collider is now the most powerful particle accelerator in the world. It is located at CERN, a research center near Geneva, Switzerland. The LHC is capable of accelerating protons to energies up to 14 TeV, more than 10 times the energy achieved by the Tevatron. Number 4. The Compact Muon Solenoid. The compact muon solenoid is a general-purpose detector at the Large Hadron Collider. It is one of two main detectors at the LHC and is designed to study a wide range of physics phenomena. The CMS is a large, cylindrical detector measuring 14 meters in diameter and 21 meters in length. It weighs around 120,000 tons, roughly equivalent to 140 jumbo jets. The detector is divided into several different parts, each of which serves a specific purpose. The innermost part of the CMS is the tracking system. This consists of layers of silicon sensors and gas-filled tubes, which track the path of charged particles as they pass through the detector. The silicon sensors are very precise and can measure the position of a particle to within a few hundred microns. Surrounding the tracking system is the electromagnetic calorimeter. This measures the energy of electrons and photons and helps to identify them from other particles. The calorimeter consists of layers of lead and plastics insulator, which emit light when particles interact with them. The light is detected by photosensors, which convert it into an electrical signal that can be measured. Outside the calorimeter is the Hadron calorimeter. This measures the energy of hadrons and helps to identify them from other particles. The Hadron calorimeter also consists of layers of lead and plastic scintillator with photosensors to detect the light. Finally, the outermost component of the CMS is a muon detector. Muons are heavy particles that pass through most other materials undisturbed. The muon detector is made up of layers of steel and gas-filled tubes, which measure the direction and energy of muons as they pass through the detector. Number 5. The Antiproton decelerator. The Antiproton decelerator at CERN is a synchrotron that decelerates beams of antiprotons from the proton synchrotron PS before they are injected into the Large Hadron Collider. The AD consists of two storage rings, each with a circumference of 732 meters, that are located underground. The AD also has a beam dump facility to safely dispose of excess particles. The AD was commissioned in 1981 and has been operational since then. It has undergone several upgrades, most recently in 2006. The current top energy of the AD is 1.4 TeV, which is about 1/3 of the energy of the LHC. The AD is used to study antimatter and has been used to create antihydrogen atoms. It is also used to study the structure of protons and neutrons, and to perform studies on the interactions between matter and antimatter. The AD has been instrumental in the development of particle physics and our understanding of the universe. In addition to its scientific contributions, the AD is a vital part of the CERN infrastructure. It provides antiprotons for the LHC experiments and helps keep the LHC running efficiently by managing the beam intensity and energy. It is also used for other research purposes, such as medical physics and industrial applications. And there you have it, 5 amazing magnetic accelerators that showcase the science behind them. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.